Hello everyone, you're watching HMG's channel for Maths and Account Study. Today we'll study Maths of Class 8th. We'll see 2.3 Chapter 2 Parallel Lines and Transversal of Class 8th. We'll start up with the first question. Draw a line L, take a point A outside the line and through point A draw a line parallel to line L. First of all, we'll draw a line L of any measurement. We'll take a scale and we'll draw a line L. So this is a line L. Name it as L. Take a point A outside the line. So anywhere I'll take point A here. This and name it as A. Now to draw parallel lines, actually there are many ways to draw the parallel lines. So to draw here we'll use a simple method. We'll use set squares. One set square keeping on a line touching the point A here in this way and another set square in this way touching the point A. Hold it properly and draw a line this side, and then you can extend this line here. The another line form is parallel to line L. You can check whether it is whether the length in between is equal or not. If it is equal, the lines are parallel. Okay, so that's it about question 1. We'll go for question number 2 here. This is also the same question. Draw a line L, take a point T outside the line, through point T draw a line parallel to line L. So again you will use scale to draw a line L of any measurement. I have drawn it here and I have named it as line L. Take a point T outside the line. So anywhere you will take point T. I have taken here and name it as T. Again use two of the set squares. One set square in this way, keep it on the line touching point T. Another set square in this way, touching this set square and point T. Then draw a line this side, extend it this side. So the new line form is parallel to line L. Again you can check it using this measurements. 3.4 here also 3.4. So these two lines are parallel. Again I have drawn a line L. I've taken point T outside the line. Using two of the set square we have drawn the line parallel to it. Now question 3. Draw a line M, draw a line N which is parallel to M at a distance of 4 centimeters. Here we'll use another method to draw parallel lines. We'll draw a line M first using scale. Draw a line of any measurement and name it as M, line M. Now we'll use protector. Take points here, name it as A, B. Keeping on point A the protector in this way, get a point on 90 degree. In the same way, keeping the protector on point B, get a proper point on 90 degree again. Draw a line joining these new lines to point A and point B. You are asked to take 4 centimeters as a distance, 4 centimeters. So you'll use this. You'll use the compass, taking 4 centimeters in this. Take 4 centimeter here in the compass. This is of 4 centimeters. Keeping on point B, take a distance of 4 centimeters. Keep it on point A. Take a distance of 4 centimeters. Now you have got 2 of the points here on 4 centimeters. So join these 2 new lines. This will be our new line, line N, which is parallel to line M. So at last you can write line M parallel to line N. Okay, so that's it about practice set 2.3. Thank you.